quick facts, then let it explode. We're gonna do it real quick.
Alright. This is Mount Pelee from the island of Martinique in the Caribbean. It's French. It had a really bad eruption in 1902 and killed everyone except for 2 survivors in the little town of St. Pierre. Is that good enough?
Woo! Yeah!
Go Shira. Go Shira.
Okay.
All right, come on, keep it going. Keep it going.
Alright,
Come on,
cool.
Quincy.
Next person. Okay.
Keep it pushing.
This is Mount Etna. It's in the corner of Sicily in Italy. Sicily is the little island that the boot is kicking of Italy. This is the longest active volcano. 500,000 years ago was its first recorded eruption. And yeah, it erupts almost all the time. It is considered one of the 17 decade volcanoes. Yeah. It's also the world's tallest volcano. No, Europe's tallest volcano, not world.
Yeah!
Okay, this is Mount Mayon. It is it's the most active volcano in the Philippines, and it's considered the most perfectly formed because of the really nice cone shape, and it's on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. So, yeah.
That's nice.
That's pretty volcanic eruptions.
That's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Krakatoa. The original Krakatoa and the 1883 eruption, which was that created the loudest sound in recorded history. That blew up 2/3 of the island, and so this is what's left at 137 meters.
Let's go.
Okay, so that's gonna blow up.
I'm not gonna ask you guys all these.
Krakatoa.
Woo!
Yeah. Mine is Mount Pelee.
I see all these containers.
In Indonesia.
Speak up, speak up, speak up.
It's in Indonesia. It's a part of the Ring of Fire, and it's responsible for over 5,000 deaths. That's all I know.
Okay, this is Mount Mauna Loa. It's like one of the, it's not super old. It's like 600,000 to 1 million years old. Had a huge eruption in 1984. Stands about like 4,000 meters above, 4,000 meters above sea level. So.
Oh gosh. Oh my god.
I really want you to know.
You don't need to move.
Ah!
Okay.
Phew.
I am Mount.
You're gonna talk first, Ryu?
Yeah.
Well, let's talk.
Oh. Wait, I already opened it. I'll do.
Oh my god. Ryu, please hurry up.
Oh! Don't even talk, Ryu. Don't even talk. Mount Frosty is dead, almost dead and gone. It hasn't done anything ever.
No one
Quit.
knows about it. There's no
Mount
website.
Berisi,
Okay, here we go.
is the largest volcano in Indonesia, and it erupts every 4 to 5 years.
Oh!
This is adorable.
It's just
Yeah! Okay.
it's so cool. I like that. Okay.
I'm really worried that all you guys have.
Okay.
Okay.
Volcano was Popocatépetl. It's hard to pronounce. It's in Mexico. It's 43 miles from Mexico City. It's been erupting constantly since 1994. The reason why it has random patches of icing on it is not because I'm crazy. It's because it has a unique amount of ice and melted glaciers on it that started melting because of global warming. And also, it looks like bagels because my cake was falling apart. So I guess I'll make it explode now. Oh god, I'm afraid. Oh lord.
I'm very afraid.
Can I drink my Coke?
Yeah! Okay. Next one.
If anybody wants the other side.
Cool.
I'll eat it.
This is Mount Kilimanjaro, and it's in Tanzania. It's one of the largest volcanoes in Africa. It's considered the roof of Africa, the rooftop of Africa. And it actually has 3 peaks, which is Kibo, Shira, and Nawenzi. Kibo and Shira are extinct, but Kibo is dormant, and they expect it to erupt pretty soon. So. Oh, oops. I kind of fell back because there's like a big hole, but.
I'll show you. You got it.
Okay.
So I
And then
didn't
what is
mind.
the towel gonna do?
No, so because it's gonna like explode. So I don't want to get on nobody else.
Oh, okay. Let's hope. Okay.
So I didn't mind Third Cow, I think, and it's like on its own island, and it's located in South America, and it doesn't really erupt, but a lot of people go there because it's like a tourist attraction, and like a lot of people go there for vacation, and it's like a historical place. Like a lot of things happen there.
Yeah!
Towel in the wrong spot. The towel needs to be moved.
Okay, next one.
Alright, so
Janae,
this,
what did you put in there?
No, it's like some like minerals that like filter your water and stuff. So I just put it in like.
Nice.
alright, so this is Mount Santa Maria. It's a stratovolcano. It was 30,000 years old. It's currently active. It's supposed to be a dome shape, like 5 mountains around it, and it's called a naked volcano. I don't have vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I just want acetic acid. Here.
I have vinegar.
Let's use the vinegar. The acetic acid is more, it's a little stronger.
Yeah.
There are going to be so many ants, and they're going to get so mad at you. Why can't you be normal?
Well, okay, Enlo. We already have an ant problem. It can't get much worse.
Well, I mean, I don't think dumping sugary liquids on the ground makes it.
It can't get much worse though.
Okay. Okay, my volcano is Mount Unzen. It's on the northern mountain of Kyushu of the 5 islands of Japan. It's currently the tallest volcano over in Japan. And it's a cluster volcano, so I just did 2. And I had gummy bears there, 43 of them, because the most recent attack in 1991 killed 43 people. And there was another attack in 1763 that killed more than 15,000 people, which was the most devastating volcano in Japan.
Is that still edible? You put the soda in too soon.
Oh, okay.
No, it's because fruit Mentos don't work and
I used fruit Mentos before.
they don't work.
Do you want my
I use-
mint ones? I have like
Yeah.
so many.
Okay.
Can I have
Is
one
that a cake?
Oh my gosh.
for scientific
Guys,
purposes?
guys. Dry you.
Guys, you guys, I'm recording all this. I hope you know that.
Fanta doesn't work either, I would think.
No, any carbonated beverage should work.
Yeah!
So it has to be soda.
Just pour some
Oh.
Fanta on. It's
Oh my
already
god,
red.
just take baking soda
Oh,
vinegar.
I think I know mine.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Moving on.
Okay, this is Fuego. It's located in Guatemala.
No.
Its last eruption was September 12, 2012, and it's above the Caribbean.
How do you get red vinegar?
They put
Oh, you just dyed. Oh, you just dyed the whole thing with vinegar.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay, cool. We're good.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah!
Vinegar, I put in there. Hey, okay. This is Mount Rainier, and it's actually it's actually the tallest mountain in Washington State, as well as on the Cascade Range. It's on the Ring of Fire, meaning that it's where the Pacific Plate and the Juan de Fuca Plate meet. It poses the single most.
What the heck?
It
poses the most danger to. It's one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. It's a decade okay, fine. I know about my volcano.
Mine's a decade volcano too.
Oh, mine's one of the top 10 most dangerous too.
Report in. What, that's not gonna do it.
Guys. Fine.
Science.
You want to report it?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
You asked for it.
Yeah! Okay, cool.
We're freaking out about nothing. Okay, so I had Mount Fuji. It's located in Honshu, Japan. It's 12,000 feet high, and its last eruption was in 1707, and it's considered an active stratovolcano.
Oh, just no tools, huh? Just don't.
Hashtag YOLO, Mr. Sandiver.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Yeah! Okay.
Okay, I have Mount St. Helens, and it's a volcano in Washington State in the United States, and it had its last major eruption in 1980, where it killed 57 people and destroyed over 250 homes, and it's considered an active stratovolcano.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
I had Mount Titi. It's in the Canary Islands in Spain. It's the third largest volcano in Spain, and it hasn't erupted in 100 years. But it's considered dormant, so it might erupt in the future.
Yeah!
Alright, this is Mount Nyiragongo. It's currently considered to be the most dangerous volcano in the world. It is a shield volcano, which means it has really sort of flat slope sides, which is just built up of layers and layers of magma. And the reason it's the most dangerous in the world is because there's actually a city right here called Goma. And this lake is also prone to limnic eruptions, which is when all the carbon dioxide dissolved in the lake suddenly bubbles up and basically just suffocates the entire villages. So that's why it's really dangerous. And also its most recent eruption was in 2012, and lava actually destroyed pretty much half the city. Yeah, so this is Nyiragongo. It has erupted about 34 times since 18 something. Oh, there it goes.
Woo! Yeah!
Great.
Is that it?
Okay. Is that everybody?